Not quick enough.
Not quick enough, no. I was close.
You were close.
I'm gonna go get the oranges, Stewie. Here, hold the rest of these bags for Mommy.
Oh, what brilliant parenting, Lois. Leave a tiny infant with a plastic bag. You know, I might asphyxiate myself just to teach you a lesson. Here I go. Just like that boy getting his fix. How do you do it? How do you do it? Blast! Good Lord, Lois. I thought I was a C-section or you're Wonder Woman.
Chris, would you run and get some milk? And be sure to take it from the back. Chris, where have you been?
I don't know.